What's going on, everybody? James here. So you're looking to do some photography or video and you need lighting? Well, let's talk about Neewer lighting. So I purchased on Amazon the Neewer pack of lighting, which is the 2-pack advanced 2.4 gigs 660 LED photography and video lighting kit. I've been working with Neewer Lights for several years now and I've loved them. I feel like they're some of the best things out there as far as a reliable brand, you know, that just gives you a good quality product to use. So I recommend Neewer to anybody who's looking for lights. But I want to go ahead and start talking about some of the specifications on the lights that I got. And I'm going to have the link in the description so you can try the ones that I bought and see if you like them for yourself. So basically, these are a 2-color LED panel. It has 660 LEDs on it. 330 of them are white LEDs and 330 of them are yellow LEDs. And it basically uses both LEDs to give you the color temperature that you're looking for. You can get from 3200 Kelvin of a temperature all the way up to 5600 Kelvin out of these lights, which is really, really good to give you that warm room lighting that you're looking for, or a little bit more daylight setting. So it's all up to you as far as what you're looking for. You control that by basically going on the back of the panel, and there's a little dial that you can use to just control the temperature of the light. And also there's another dial that you can use to control the intensity of the light, which is very, very convenient to have. So one of the cool things about this light kit is it comes with this remote control. This remote control is very, very handy because it allows you to control the intensity of the light. It allows you to control the color temperature of the light all remotely. And not only that, but it can control numerous lights up to 20 meters away, they say on the specifications of these lights. So that's really about 60 feet away. If you have 4 or 5 of these lights and you want to control multiple of them, this is it right here. So it adds that convenience to where you don't have to go and, you know, change every single light individually. With a hit of a button, every single light adjusts right then and there for you the way you need it, which will help you to just kind of get through your shoot faster, whether you're doing video or photography. So very, very convenient. I love the fact that they have this option, and I've been taking full advantage of it. The lights themselves, they're very sturdy. They're built well. They have barn doors on them. So if you're looking to create a confined space of light where you don't want everything in your shot being lit up too much, you want to basically focus your light on a certain area, the barn doors really kind of help you do that. They open and close very easily, very smoothly, and you can adjust, you know, where you want that light to go. These lights, they turn very well on the stands. They can be lifted up and down on a stand that gives you from 39 inches off the ground all the way up to 79 inches off the ground. So that's very, very convenient to have. You don't have to worry about, you know, not being able to get over somebody's head if you want to do some hair light, or if you want to leave it low on the ground, you want to do some up lighting, these lights will do that for you. The stands that they come with are very sturdy, very durable. Of course, you know, anything that takes too much beating is gonna, you know, go through its wear and tear, but for the most part, I think these are great stands that are very reliable. You can also get a bag for these stands if you want to carry them around, a little Neewer bag or any other bag that you want to get for it. You can also purchase one of those, and it's really good. The lights themselves actually come with a holding bag that has foam on the inside to protect the lighting, a little pocket where you can basically stick in the power cable that comes with it, and this allows for easy transporting and, you know, easy mobile use. If you want also too, you can also buy the additional but not included batteries that these lights work with. And if you're looking to go and do some things out in the field, or you're doing something where you're, you know, doing some shoots in Mother Nature, and you don't have anywhere that you can plug an outlet into an outlet, you can use the batteries, and they can give you, you know, a couple hours, 2, 3, 4 hours of lighting outside, depending on what type of intensity you're using the lights at. One of the things that is very undermined in video and photography is lighting. If you don't have great lighting, Doesn't matter if you have a great camera that has a great lens. If you don't have great lighting, you're at the mercy of that environment, and your pictures and video can end up becoming very distorted and grainy, have lots of noise. So to limit that, you always want to have options. So having some of these lights just, handy, you can stick them in the back of your car. They're really not that big, and they're very lightweight. You can hold them in one hand, 2 or 3 of them in one hand. They're not that heavy, not that bulky, so you can just basically just have them ready for use whenever you need them. So I love these lights. I recommend them to anybody. So go ahead, try them out for yourself. Hit the links in the description box and see how they work for you. Drop me some comments. I would love to answer any questions that you have about them. I would love to also hear your feedback as far as if they work for you or not. Please like this video, subscribe, as I will be releasing more videos. Check you guys later.